Water leaks from supply line connection can totally wreck your day and your home if you don't catch them early. So here's the deal. First off, always make sure you turn off the water supply before you even think about messing with the connections. When you're putting the supply lines back on, don't just wing it. Hand tighten first, and then use a wrench just a little bit more, but not too much, or you'll risk stripping the threads. If you spot any cracks or wear on the supply lines, swap those puppies out right away because old lines are a major cause of leaks. Use plumber's tape on the threads before connecting to help seal everything up tight. Keep an eye on the connection after you're done. Turn the water back on slowly and watch for drips for a few minutes. If you notice even a tiny leak, try tightening a bit more, but if it still leaks, replace the washer or the whole supply line. Also, avoid over-tightening because it can actually cause leaks by damaging the fittings. Lastly, check your water pressure. If it's too high, it can stress the connections and cause leaks over time. One of the biggest mistakes with fixing water leaks from supply line connections is ignoring small drips because they seem harmless. These tiny leaks can turn into big problems fast, so don't wait to fix them. Another common issue is over-tightening the fittings. People think tighter means better seal, but it often cracks or damages threads, so just snug it up gently. The third mistake is skipping the plumber's tape or not using it properly. This tape is crucial for sealing threads and preventing leaks, so wrap it around the threads 2 to 3 times before connecting. Fix these by always inspecting regularly for drips, using plumber's tape correctly, and tightening just enough to stop leaks without forcing anything. BigHomeProjects.com is great because it helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know how to sort out stuff like water leaks without hassle. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a cool way to get new jobs and connect with people who need your skills around their homes.